Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix LinkedIn account restricted. So to fix a restricted LinkedIn account, you can start by stopping all third-party tools. Before appealing, immediately disable all browser extensions and CRMs because continued automation during a review will lead to a permanent ban. Now the next what you can do is verify your identity, which is the fastest method. Tap the verify identity button on the restriction banner and then upload a clear photo of your government issued ID, passport or driving license. Now make sure that the name on the ID matches your LinkedIn profile exactly. Now submit an appeal. If you see account restricted, tap the appeal or contact us option. Now explain clearly that you're adhere to professional guidelines and if you violated policy, it was unintentional. Now wait for 24 to 72 hours. If it is a temporary restriction, do not attempt to log in or use the account frequently as this can extend the restrictions time. You can also use the support form. If no option to appeal, navigate to the LinkedIn Help Center and use their contact form to explain your issue if no prompt exists to challenge the decision. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.